Hi guys, well today I'm out at the Loup of Fintry, which is a lovely spot in Stirlingshire, and it's a big waterfall out here, so yeah, I've come here to get some images of the waterfall, and it's absolutely stunning. It really is a beautiful little spot. In fact, what I've done so far is I've actually recorded this vlog kind of backwards, because I've already taken all my images, and I've also recorded some video footage down by the waterfall already, because I couldn't actually really vlog down there. I didn't have a great opportunity to, because it's quite busy with a lot of people coming around because it's the weekend. So yeah, there was that, and unfortunately I didn't really get to do any vlogging down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the video footage and the images that I've taken, and yeah, so that way you can actually see what I've actually taken today. So yeah, apologies again for not doing the vlog just the way I usually do, but that's just sometimes the way things work out. Okay, so I'm going to put up the images and the video, so I hope you enjoy them. Right guys, well that's it for me for now, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. Sorry that it's done in a little kind of back to front way. So just like to finish by saying, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you could, and also check out my other videos as well. That'd be absolutely terrific. So anyway guys, this is Kenny from the Loup of Fintry, wishing you all farewell. Bye for now.